There is a free gift.
And she's already calling you Kylan instead of boss.
There's a free gift.
She's more like a friend than an assistant.
That's great.
Let's get the
So
free
why did you
gift,
ask me to
guys.
come over here?
Oh, right.
Only one?
Yes, What's this?
Wow! This bag is super cute.
Just to remind you that we've had an
Why is
amazing
it super
relationship together.
cute?
8 years and that I love you.
So this is your only surprise?
Yeah. What?
It's
Don't you
so
like it?
cute.
I do love it.
I'm glad. I spent all day yesterday.
By the way, don't mind the background. But this is so cute. Aww. By the way, let's go home. Okay, now that we're home, we just need to go to this floor that is upstairs. We need to go upstairs. That's just the birds in my neighborhood. That's just the birds, like, singing, I guess. Oh my. Okay, now let's throw this gumball machine or candy machine out and put the TikTok stand. Let's just put this over here, put this over there. I don't think this is much space. So we're just gonna put the TikTok stand right here. Yeah. So she's gonna do a TikTok with her baby. The mom is gonna do the TikTok with her baby, which is named, the baby is named Alice. So let's do the TikTok. Tell my boyfriend I've been doing. Tell my boyfriend I've been doing. What if you want me? Put the world in. That I'm your girlfriend. Okay, all done. Now let's see the TikTok. Okay, that's super great. Anyways, I'm just gonna test my bestie. can my kids have a sleepover? Yeah, sure, bestie. So, we're gonna get the kids. Knock, 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 knock. Oh, that must be my bestie. Yes. Yes, bestie. Hey, bestie, what time will you pick the kids up? Like 10 p.m. Okay, bestie. Come in, kids. Okay. Whoa, you got a gaming setup. Oh my god, I didn't mean to. What am I doing? I didn't mean to press the side. I didn't mean to press. No. I didn't mean to press that. Are you kidding me? Okay, bye, mommy. Bye, kids. I'm gonna go get a drink. What drink should I get? I'm gonna get orange with blueberries. Orange with blueberries flavor. Sounds good. Okay, anyways. Wanna play video games? Yeah, sure. But where's the chairs? What chairs? Ew. Don't cry. Okay, we just like sit down in the floor because this house is already decorated, but if we order chairs, that would be like $100 for chairs, and this house is a mansion. We only paid $1,000, $10 billion for this mansion. Oh, whatever. Ugly rat! Don't sit next to me, you ugly rat. Oh, call me an ugly rat. That's my sister, you know. Whatever. I'll have the pink one. Hey. Oh, I want pink one. Well, I'll have the purple one. Hey, I want that. I'll have the Hello Kitty one. I'll have the white one. I'll have the black one, I guess. But how about me? Whatever, I'm just gonna cover. Okay, now that I'm done coloring, let me just put these in, I guess. I'll just go and play in my room. I'll just put my picture right here. I'll just get this, then my Hello Kitty pencil that I have Tokaboka in this pencil, in this tablet, actually. Sorry guys. I just put my drink right here so it doesn't spill. Let me just close this closet and let me just play. Because there's nobody to play with me. I have to play all by myself. Because the controller is like, there is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 controllers, and there's one not for me. So I'll just go on my tablet, I guess. Yeah, let me just go on Tokaboka. Oh, I got a free gift. Ooh, that bag is super cute. Anyways, let's start the Tokaboka channel. Wait, is that my channel? Kate's World? Kate's World? Yay! That's my channel. Now let me post videos. Let me post this one, let me post this video, let me post this video, and that one. Okay, now that I'm done using my pencil, let me just put my tablet. Let me just go and here we go. Hey, what you playing? Guys, play. None of your business. Wait, loser. Hey, 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 why would you say that? Why would you say that? 'Cause she's a loser. No, I'm not. Ooh, I hate that. That girl. She's so rude. Anyway, whatever. Let's just put my drink here. Guys, watch this. Breaks the drink. God. Oh my God, why would you break that drink? It's made out of glass. Why would you break it? 'Cause I hate you. Oh my God. Guys, act like it's like broken. Oh my God, it's broken. And when you drink it, it's inspired. And it even spilled. Whatever. Oh my God, she is so like rude to me. Like, why is she so rude? But nice when she sees her mother. Now I need a new drink. Whatever, I'm just going to get. Wait a second. I forgot. Wishes come true. I wish that my drink wasn't broken. Wish granted. Oh my God, it's not broken. It's not broken. Yay! Meanwhile, on the pool. just go. I wish her mom came back. Like, it's not. Like, let me check my tablet's time. Let me check my tablet's time. Oh my god, it's 10 p.m. My bestie better be here because it's 10 p.m. Bestie, you already know I'm gonna be here. Bestie, yes. Where are those kids? Kids, it's time to come home. Okay, mommy. Okay, mommy. Come on, kids, let's go. Okay. Were you rude? No. She's lying. Kids, your sister is nice to me. Why? So, why should she be nice to your friends? Rude to your friends. Like, she's nice. No, she's not. Whatever, we'll just get home and we'll talk about this, okay? Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah. I got rid of her. Oh yeah. Oh girl, what you saying oh yeah about? Nothing? Girl, you acting weird. No, I'm not. Anyways, I'm about to drink my drink. Whatever. I'm just gonna get my phone. Oh my god, somebody's calling me. Hello, who's this? Oh my god. I am so late. What? I'm fired from my job? I just got this job last week. Oh my god. Are you fired? Yeah. Kid, you better come down here. Anyways, you better sit down. Because we have a serious problem right here, right now, right here, right now. Girl, can you please not? Yeah, whatever. Hey, I was sitting here. I was sitting there. I was sitting here. Anyways, bye guys.